A block of mass 200 kg is pulled along a horizontal ground at a constant, it was rough ground, at a constant speed of v meter per second. Constant speed means a equals to 0, there is no acceleration. By a horizontal rope attached to a winch, the coefficient of friction between the block and the ground is, so mu is equal to 0.8. The winch is working at a constant rate of 4000 watts. Now first of all, there is a formula P is equal to FV. We can derive for F is equal to P over V. So we can write 4000 divided by V, which is the force which is pulling both the block of the mass and winch to this direction. Let's just draw a diagram. पहले हमारे पास एक हॉरिजॉन्टल ब्लॉक है जिसका mass 200 है तो weight होगा 200 times 10 which is 2000, and same is the normal reaction force which is also 2000. The frictional force is mu r, so this is r, and 0.8 times 2000 is equal to 1600 newtons. Now this is attached to the winch and the force driving the winch is 4000 divided by V. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे टेंशन भी होगी. अब हमने फाइंड इसमें क्या करना है, V. Now we know that this whole system is not stationary, it is moving to this direction for this specific illustration. Let's say that. Now we know that driving force minus resistance must be equal to MA. But earlier in the question we said that A is equal to 0. So this whole thing becomes, MA becomes 0. Can we write 4000 by V equal to 1600? From here we can write 4000 divided by 1600 equals to V, which is equal to 2.5 meter per second.